Hello.
Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Good. At first, we're gonna ask you some questions. What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Jolie. I'm 11 years old.
Good. Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi City.
Which district?
An Khánh.
Okay. What extreme weather do you know?
I know typhoon, flood, blizzard, tornado.
Okay. What happens if a storm brings too much rain?
If a storm brings too much rain, it can be a flood.
Okay. What happens if a place gets little rain?
If a place gets little rain, it can be a drought.
Good. What types of storms happen when it's very cold?
It's blizzard
Or
or
ice?
ice storm.
Okay. What types of storms have very high wind speed?
Is hurricane or tornado
Or
or tropical storm.
okay. Have you ever experienced extreme weather?
Yes, I have.
What was it?
It is typhoon.
Okay, good. Now, the next one, you will be needing to find the differences, okay? This is your picture. You ready? In my picture, there are two elephants.
But in my picture, there are
There is
there is one elephant too.
no two, one elephant.
One elephant.
Okay. In my picture, there are four monkeys in the tree.
But in my picture, there are three monkeys.
In the tree. In my picture, there are two girls eating ice cream.
But in my picture, two girls eat
Eating.
eating sandwich.
Okay. In my picture, the baby is crying.
But in my picture, the baby is sleeping.
Good. In my picture, there is a pink bag on the ground.
But in my picture, the backpack is
On the ground.
on the ground.
Okay. In my picture, there is the dog behind the trash bin.
But in my picture, there is a dog in front of the trash bin.
And the last one. In my picture, there is the woman who is wearing a green t-shirt and taking photos.
But in my picture, there is a man who wear a
Who's
green
wearing
who wearing a green shirt,
green t-shirt.
green t-shirt is taking photo.
Okay, good. Nice. The next part, we're going to exchange information. Okay. This is yours. And you need to ask me about Sarah's book, okay? And I'm gonna ask you about Harry's book. So you ask him first, and then we're gonna switch, okay? Let's go.
Who gave Sarah book?
Her cousin.
What the book called?
It's called The Star.
What what it's about?
It's about a singer.
When Sarah finished?
When did she finish?
When did she finish?
She finished it last week.
Is it interesting or boring?
It is interesting. Now I'm gonna ask you, okay? Who gave Harry the book?
He him friend.
His friend.
His friend.
What is the name of the book?
Silver Boots.
Okay. What is it about?
It's about a footballer.
When did he finish it?
He finished yesterday.
Okay. Is it interesting or boring?
It is it is boring.
Okay, good. And the next part, here, you can choose the topic to talk about, one or two.
One.
One? Okay. Talk about your favorite musical instrument.
My favorite instrument is the piano because the I think is I think the sound is beautiful and fun. I can play it. I play when I was 6 years old. To play it,
press
press the key
and
and
the little hammer,
and
the little hammers
the little hammers
inside the piano
inside the piano is
hit
hitting
hit the strings
hit the string
and
makes the sound.
that's why
That's why the piano is percussion instrument and string instrument.
okay.
I I play twice a week with my mom and my father. I can play I can play some song.
That's all. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Okay, goodbye.